Meanwhile, the nation rose up in protest when Nirbhaya was brutalized, and there has been much debate about the sentencing of the juvenile to just 3 years. Now, the Delhi Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung has expressed his great disappointment with the verdict and has demanded that the juvenile age be brought down.
A citizen of this city, I feel that I am left a little unsatisfied with the quantum of punishment that he has got.
And according to you, sir, what is the answer? Because people say that is the law. There's very little that can be done about it.
No, the idea of law basically, fundamentally, is that people should get a sense of justice. And if people do not get a sense of justice by implementation of law, then we need to revisit the laws again.
सर, जिस तरीके के हालात हैं, उस बिटिया को इंसाफ मिला है, आपको लगता है? इस तरीके के जो वाक़यात
नहीं, ये चीज़ तो आपको धीरे धीरे पता चलेगी, क्योंकि और 4 लोग भी इन्वॉल्व हैं, उनको क्या सजाएं मिलती हैं और इस बच्चे के साथ और आगे क्या होता है। तो ये आज कहना, पूर्णतः कह देना कि इंसाफ मिला है कि नहीं मिला, ये तो जल्दबाजी होगी। लेकिन जहाँ तक इसका सवाल है, जो मैंने आपको कहा कि अगर हम डिससेटिस्फाइड हैं इस जजमेंट से, कम से कम मैं खुश नहीं हूँ कि इसको बहुत कम सजा मिली, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि इस चीज़ को रिविजिट करना चाहिए। जी, of course we must all focus on fast tracks. I have said completely and clearly and unequivocally that my first priority is to make the girls of Delhi feel completely secure, and to the extent we have not done it, we should all be ashamed of it. That's it. Thank you.
अब बात आ रही थी कि 18 साल से बच्चों लड़कों की उम्र कम करके नाबालिग की जो है 16 साल कर दी जाए, तो क्या है?
मैं इससे सहमत हूँ, because I really think that children grow up at an earlier age now. What you were at 16, a child is now probably there at 14. So therefore, it is time that we revisit the laws.
And Trupti is reporting on the story and is with us on the phone line. Trupti, we understand that when the verdict was announced, Nirbhaya's parents and family was so unhappy that the brother actually attacked the juvenile, and there has been great disappointment over the verdict. Now, with the Lieutenant Governor criticizing this verdict, what can we expect in this case?
Well, this is one of the few powerful voices that have actually come out in support of what Nirbhaya's parents have been demanding from the very beginning. Since the time the whole debate broke out between the juvenile and the Delhi government, Delhi police, because remember the Delhi police wanted the juvenile to be tried as an adult as well because of the severity of the crime, because he was one of the most brutal attacker in the Nirbhaya case, and the entire nation had stood up against it.
कि भाई कानून है, कानून ये जो केस था रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द रेयर, इसको किस श्रेणी में ये आता है। और आजकल लड़के हो या लड़कियां, वो पहले सयाने हो जाते हैं, और लड़कियों के मामले में भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी फैसला दिया है कि उनकी उम्र, सयाने होने की उनकी उम्र घटाई है। तो लड़कों की उम्र क्यों नहीं घटाई जाए? तो और क्यों नहीं इस तरह के अपराध जो करते हैं, तो और कोई अकेला ये मामला नहीं, इस तरह के अपराध में इस उम्र के बहुत सारे लोग हैं, तो इस पर तो मैंने गुस्सा है लोगों में, और इससे हम नजीब जंग साहब ने जो कहा है उससे हम एग्री करते हैं।